Hi, my name is Zach from Ballard International, and I'm going to real quickly show you how to identify if you have the extended axis control software option loaded onto your system. So we will go Menu, Next, Status, Version ID, Config, and then we will scroll down. Here, as you can see, we have the J518 package loaded, which is extended axis control. So here's a quick example of a system that does not have the extended axis control option loaded onto it. Scroll down. As you continue to scroll down, as you can see here, there is no extended axis control option on this system. Another thing to look out for if you're trying to run extended axes on your system is to make sure that you have at least a 12-axis control card on your CPU. Real quickly, pop the door open. Unplug all of our cables from our CPU. Pop it out. Take a look at our axis control card. Look at our part number right here. So we'll do a quick search on ballardinternational.com. As you can see, this is a 12-axis servo card. Alright, now we'll show an example of a system that does not have the hardware necessary to support additional axes. BallardInternational.com, of course. Type our part number into the search bar here, right off of the axis control card. See that this is a 6-axis servo card, which means it can only control 6 axes.